I'm heading off to the Plain of Jars. This is the gas station attendant.
Thank you.
Hey, no, not for there, for you. Okay, I'm heading off to the Plain of Jars. It says it's 4 hours. I was supposed to head across a bridge, but it dead-ended, and I don't know. And my Google Maps is not working. I should probably check it out, but is where I'm at. It's a viewpoint. I think it might be 3,000 meters. I'm not sure. Maybe 3,000 feet. Yeah, I'm missing a few bolts on my rack. That's where we're at. And I'm going here. Somewhere here.